Friday, everybody. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's card, I'm going to be using the Wildlife Wonder, the Bear, the Shadow, and Sending Birthday Wishes, and embossed with the Evergreen Forest 3D. Well, lucky for you, you get to sit back and listen to music and not listen to my croaking little voice. Hope you enjoy it. All the supplies I've used are in the description box below. Sit back and relax. Let's make a card. Well, unfortunately, my camera died, but all I did was stamp this grass on the inside on Very Vanilla 3 times, only inking it once. So stamp once, twice, and 3 times, and you get that nice effect. And did the same for the envelope. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you next week. Bye.